DevOps, SRE, and Cloud Platform Engineer. These are the most trending job opportunities nowadays. Let's see what is the difference between these three. DevOps brings together the development and operations team to build, test, and deliver software faster. They focus on automating everything from writing code to deploying it to ensure updates happen smoothly and continuously. Then comes SREs or Site Reliability Engineers. They take the automated system from DevOps and make sure they run reliably. They are responsible for uptime, minimizing failures, and scaling systems. So when something breaks, they will fix it and prevent future issues. Then finally, the Cloud Platform Engineer. Cloud Platform Engineers build and manage the infrastructure that runs on cloud services like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. They ensure that the apps can scale, data is secure, and resources are available on demand, making sure everything stays efficiently in the cloud. Altogether, they will keep your apps fast, reliable, and running seamlessly in the cloud. So next time, when you hear about DevOps, SRE, or Cloud Platform Engineer, you will know how they work together to power up your apps. Subscribe to our channel to get more tech updates.